CLAS uses the term CEMOS to encompass all systems for optimizing the machine. Today, our tractors are able to assist the driver to make important decisions more easily. Ballasting and tire pressure, but also the settings for the tractor and attached implements. This just leaves the question, how does this benefit an experienced driver during their daily work? We wanted to find out together with the German Agricultural Society, DLG. My name is Tom Sayer. I am a product market manager for tractors at CLAS. And together with the DLG, we want to demonstrate that CEMOS supports the drivers. We have invited customers from all over Europe for a test. And DLG will accompany this test as an independent test institute. We have equipped 2 CLAS tractors with our measurement technology for the test. We will document the soil moisture during the measurement runs. We will also measure the working depth and assess the work quality of the tillage implements. In the test, we compare the fuel consumption in liters per hectare, once with and once without the use of CEMOS and multiple test drivers. Many users responded to our call for a CEMOS duel under real conditions. A total of 10 participants from 4 European countries took up the chance for the comparative test with DLG. I'm still a bit unsure, but I think with my experience I can beat the CLAS CEMOS system. I'm keen to see how the CEMOS test goes. I hope I can beat the system. I would say yes, I can do it. I can't imagine it. I think I'll be better than the program. At the start of the test, every participant was able to prepare their unit, consisting of a tractor and cultivator, according to their own preferences. The target was to work as efficiently as possible. Only the working depth was set. It quickly became apparent. Our testers are real pros, and they definitely wanted to beat CEMOS. The DLG captured the data during driving. This includes fuel consumption and area output, as well as operating conditions and work quality. Now we have recorded the test parameters, such as the fuel consumption in liters per hectare, without using CEMOS. And next, all test drivers will use CEMOS, and we will record the same test parameters. In the second part of the test, things get serious for CEMOS. The participants drive with the presets and the system optimization dialogue. So we could see quite a difference, definitely in terms of engine droop. This is where you can see what the electronics can really do. It was interesting to see that basic things such as engine droop, ballasting and tire pressure have such a big influence on the fuel consumption of the machine. That was simple to understand. Even if you didn't understand it, good background knowledge was given so that you understood why it wanted to change this and that. And it was very intuitive and we worked really well together. Let's say it like this. Yes, the system is good. Thinking about the settings which I would have chosen myself now that I have used CEMOS, I am convinced that CEMOS was more efficient than my settings. For CLAS tractors and for the future of agriculture, this is a real product innovation. Test engineer Georg Schuchmann and CLAS product market manager Tom Sayer highlight the excellent professional competence and personal preparation of the participants for the test.
Yes, from
DLG we are very satisfied with how the test ran. Highly experienced farmers were involved as the drivers, and we are also very excited to see what the evaluation and results will bring. The 3 days of tests are now complete. All the participants were very well prepared, so that CEMOS was really challenged. After the final verification by the DLG, CEMOS was then awarded the first ever certification for a tractor operator assistance system. DLG confirmed that CEMOS with the DLG approved seal is the first operator assistance system on a tractor able to improve the overall efficiency. Here the focus was on the fuel consumption per unit area and the area output, and at a consistent work quality. None of the participants were more efficient than CEMOS. Up to 16.8% lower fuel use was measured during the test. Almost all participants were also able to increase their area output. The DLG determined a potential of up to 16.3% higher area output. Our test participants are some of the best drivers we know. But an intelligent assistance system can help even the best drivers to always deliver an optimum result over long working days. CEMOS drivers are unbeatable.